There's some wild turkeys on our road into the lake. We're going to walk at least part way around Gilbert Lake. It's pretty hot in the sun. It was too hot to go to the dog park, so I decided to take Dobby for a walk in the woods. It's actually pretty cool. Well, I wouldn't say cool, but cooler than at home. And there is the lake. There's a beach on the other end. This is like a little pavilion. A lot of people have weddings in there. And then we're gonna go in to the woods. He smells something. He smells something. Oh, he smells a person. He wants to go visit the person, probably. There's a little picnicking pavilion. The lake is that way. Just found this interesting mushroom or some kind of fungus growing here in the woods. I'm gonna go off the main path to check out this little picnicking area here by the lake. Yeah, there's a bench. Maybe we could have a water break. I don't want Dobby to drink lake water, though. I've been hearing so much about that lake water, fungi, algae, whatever it is that's killing dogs. We bring our own water wherever we go. So right, Dobby? That's where we just started, and we walked all the way around to here. I don't want to bring Dobby too close to the water. There's somebody on a kayak or something out there. Canoe, maybe.
It's a kayak.
It's pretty here. It's so quiet. Dobby's water dish. He kind of doesn't love that it's so skinny, but if he's thirsty enough, he drinks out of it. Are you thirsty, Dobby? Huh? What? You want to keep moving, don't you?
Yeah, he's pushing what? Pushing 9.
Yeah, he's gonna be 9.
So he does this little bit of I'm a puppy.
This
Okay,
is the beach area inside the little picnic pavilion, and then we have boat rentals over here and a little bridge. There's 2 playgrounds, and then we're about halfway around the lake. It really wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be to walk around it. And now we're going back into the woods. Now we're in the fern area. Lots of ferns here. We're on the other side of the lake now. Tree fell into the lake. Wow. And we are back where we started from, which was right on the other side of that building there. That's like the wedding pavilion. Dobby's in a hurry. We're taking a little break before we go back to the car. Dobby's feet are all muddy. And there's the lake. The beach is all the way over there. Such a peaceful spot.